hazards and risk on road construction sites for workers. Potential road hazards. Limited space between the work site and roadway. Curves, hills, trees, or parked vehicles that limit a driver's sight of work zone. Overhead cables, railway crossings, or right-of-ways by work area. Other roadside work or traffic control being done nearby. Bike lanes. Uneven ground, construction debris, obstacles, etc. in the work area. Potential traffic hazards. Near an intersection with traffic lights or traffic coming from multiple directions. Rush hour traffic. Traffic merging from 2 lanes to 1. Bus stop nearby. Schools, parks, playgrounds, or community centers nearby. Children in the vicinity. Potential vehicle hazards. Large vehicles passing by that could block signage or reduce road width. Emergency vehicles frequently passing by. There are 4 basic hazards known as the Focus 4 hazards. 1. Falls, due to improperly constructed surfaces and unprotected edges. 2. Struck-bys, due to vehicle strikes and falling or flying objects. 3. Caught-in-betweens, due to rotating equipment and unguarded parts. 4. Electrocutions, due to contact with utility lines and live circuits. The following conditions increase dangers for all construction workers. Constricted work sites. Inclement weather. Low light. Reduced visibility. Vehicle congestion.